Hello students, I'm Dr. Shailaja Jadhav, Professor and HOD in Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry in Progressive Education Society's Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigdi, Pune. Today we shall see the chemistry and structure-activity relationship of tetracyclines. As you can see, the substitutions on tetracycline are done at C7, C6 and C5. Four linearly fused cyclic rings are important for activity. The ring A and ring B should be fused together in cis configuration and should have a beta hydroxy group at C12, which is essential for activity. Conjugated systems exist from C10 to C12 and from C1 to C3. Tetracyclines are amphoteric in nature and exist as zwitterions in neutral solutions. Hence, they can form salts with both strong acids and strong bases, and hence they can exist as salts of either sodium or chloride. Amphoteric compounds are those that have acidic as well as basic sites, which will form salts with both strong acids and strong bases. Tetracyclines consist of two basic sites with pKa 7.2 to 7.8 and 9.1 to 9.7 and one acidic site with pKa 2.8 to 3.3. Zwitterions are the molecules that possess both a positive and a negative charge. Tetracyclines exist as zwitterions at pH 4 to 7, which is the pH of duodenum. At pKa 5, zwitterion formation can occur, which can affect the absorption. We can see two strong chromophores here, which are essential for activity. Tetracyclines chelate with divalent metals such as magnesium, calcium, iron and zinc, which are insoluble and will affect the absorption. Hence, they are not administered with antacids or milk or with vitamins. Tetracyclines undergo epimerization at C4 in solution of intermediate pH range. These isomers are called as epitetracyclines, which are less active. Hence, when kept in solutions, the activity of tetracyclines decreases over time. 4-epitetracycline is less active due to beta orientation. Strong acids or strong bases attack tetracyclines at C6, which decreases the activity. In presence of metal ions, tetracyclines form stable chelate complexes which are insoluble in water. Therefore, tetracyclines are not absorbed in presence of milk and other ions, and hence mottling in newly formed teeth and bones is seen. Let us see the SAR of tetracyclines. Slight modification in ring A of tetracyclines is tolerated. Ring D should always be aromatic. Retention of the configuration of the asymmetric centers at C4, C4A and C12A is essential. Whereas the configurations at C5, C5A and C6 may be altered. The keto-enol tautomerism between C2 and C3 is important for activity. Converting the carboxamide group on C2 to nitrile causes loss of activity. Any modification at C3 causes loss of activity. And epimerization at C4 and dehydration at 5A causes loss of activity. An amide hydrogen can be replaced with a methyl group, but replacement with any larger group has deleterious effect, except where the compound can be easily eliminated in water. The dimethyl amino group at C4 must have alpha orientation. Removal of this 4-dimethyl amino group decreases activity. The dimethyl amino group can be replaced by a primary amino group without loss of in vitro activity, but all other changes lead to decrease in the activity. The hydrophobic part of the molecule is from C5 to C9, and this can be altered in various ways. Substitution at C5 with hydroxy group gives orally active water-soluble compounds. The C5 alpha group in oxytetracycline and doxycycline influences its pharmacokinetic properties but does not alter the activity. Modifications of the structure at C6 and C7 result in compounds having higher chemical stability, increased activity, and better pharmacokinetic properties. The 6-dimethyl and 6-deoxytetracyclines show broad-spectrum antibacterial activity. Removal of the hydroxy group on C6 increases lipophilicity and makes it more stable to acid. Example, doxycycline. Substitution of methylene group at C6 increases the activity. Example, methacycline. Looking at the substitution on C7, activity increases when both electron withdrawing groups like chloro or nitro or electron donating groups like dimethylamino groups are substituted. Substitution of nitro group on C7 gives more potent but carcinogenic compounds. Not much information is available about substitutions on C8. Substitution of additional glycylamine at C9 gives new class of antibiotics, the glycyl cyclines. Example, tigecycline. Dehydrogenation to form a double bond between C5A and C11A significantly decreases the activity. Formation of esters at C12A are inactive except for the formyl esters. Alkylation of C11A also results in inactive compounds. Ionizable beta ketones is an essential feature at C11 and C12. Let us see a few tetracycline derivatives such as dimiclocycline, chlortetracycline, oxytetracycline, tetracycline, minocycline, and doxycycline. So today we have seen the chemistry, general properties, and the SAR of tetracyclines. I hope you all have understood. Thank you.